Now, real, you know I feel you on this one.
You keep winning all the way.
Are we too grown for games? Are we too grown to play around? Young enough to chase, but old enough to know better.
Are we too grown to change? Are we too grown to